Hello kids, welcome back to our channel. Today we're writing capital letter alphabets A to Z. Stay with us. First we're opening colors. Stay with us. Purple color, sky blue color, light green color. The next one is orange color, brown color, yellow color, blue color, red color, light green color, light pink color, white color. The next one is silver color, black color, dark pink color. First we're using the color of dark pink color, writing the alphabet of A. A. The next one is B. B for ball. C. D. E. F. F for fish, F for fan. Now we're using the color of brown and writing the alphabet of G. The next one is H. H for hand. I. J. K. K for kite. Now we're using the color of light pink. L. The next one is M. M for moon, M for mango. N. O. P. The next one is Q. Q for queen. R for rose, R for rice. Now we're using the color of yellow, writing the alphabet of S. The next one is T. U. U for umbrella. V for van. W. The next one is X. Y. And the last one is Z. Thank you so much for watching.